Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your accounts and console are ready. Sign into your Xbox profile, then link that same account to Epic Games. This connects your purchases and progress. Once done, verify your network. Prefer wired or a stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce latency. Make sure console software is up to date and Fortnite is installed. If not, download the latest build. These steps remove common barriers so you can launch quickly. Now open Fortnite and permit any pending updates. This ensures matchmaking and features align. Once the game loads, check your privacy and cross-play settings so friends on other platforms can find you. Next, choose the correct input, controller, not touch, and set controller sensitivity plus HUD layout for visibility. While in lobby, verify your Epic account shows as linked. If not, sign out and back in on the Xbox to trigger the link. These steps finish by joining a match. Hit Quick Match or join a party to enter a custom lobby. If matchmaking stalls more than 3 minutes, back out, then restart the Xbox. This often resolves NAT or networking hiccups. If problems persist, clear the alternate MAC address in network settings or reinstall Fortnite to fix corrupted files. One key troubleshooting tip: check NAT type. Open NAT reduces connectivity issues. Follow these final steps, and you should be playing on Xbox immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.